Whenever it comes to green onions, also known as spring onions or scallions in some places, we usually use it in stir-fry recipes. On today's menu, I will show you how to make a quick and easy potato eggplant recipe using green onions. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Pan out on medium heat. 2 tablespoons of oil goes in. Once the oil turns hot, gently slide down the eggplant. Stir them on medium heat till they are tender and turn beautifully brown. My eggplants are now looking gorgeous and they have turned tender. As you can see, some of them are loosening out from the skin. Take them out onto a bowl before they turn too soft. Guys, the last thing you want to see is some mushy-dushy pasty eggplant in this recipe. That's awful. And if you are wondering, oh, has our pan got burnt? Nope. It's that whenever you fry eggplant, the oil tends to get dark. But there is nothing to worry about that. I added another tablespoon of oil. Here I have taken nigella seeds, also known as kalonji in Hindi or kalo jeera in Bengali. Now Bumbi, why do you have to use such ingredients which are rarely in my pantry? You can use regular cumin seeds instead. But guys, please for once try nigella seeds in your recipes if possible, because it gives a wonderful flavor. You can get it online or at any Indian grocery store. Just remember to add them with the heat of your stove at the lowest mark, or else they will burn and turn bitter. Okay, I added sliced onions. Stir the onions on medium heat till they soften down a bit and becomes pale in color. Next in line is a red chili. You can even use green chilies or no chilies if that's how you like it. Then the potatoes enter the scene. Now I made a mistake by not showing you how to cut the potatoes in this way, but you need to cut the potatoes into matchsticks. Please let me know in the comment section if you would like me to include those vegetable chopping scenes as well. I added some salt. Stir the potatoes on medium-low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Next are the white thick parts of the green onions, a small tomato, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and little bit of chili powder which is totally optional. Then stir and then lid on low heat. From time to time lid off, stir again on medium heat and lid back on low heat. With your spatula, press on one of the potatoes. If you see it has turned almost soft, add green peas. I am using frozen green peas, and today I am using them directly right after taking out from the freezer. I added just a splash of water. I would say about 1/4 of a cup, not more than that. You don't want to build a swimming pool here, guys. That little splash of water will just bring everything together. Again lid on till the potatoes turn soft. Okay, the potatoes have become soft, but do not wait for them to just fall apart and turn mushy. Now the greens of the green onions enter the pan, along with the chopped stems of coriander. As you know, I love adding the stems of coriander and they give so much flavor. But if you dislike coriander, then just leave it out. Stir on medium heat for about 2 minutes. So the potatoes have turned tender and everything has come together. And where are the eggplants, Bumbi? Have you eaten them up or forgotten about them? So here they come. Remember, they are already cooked, so add them right at the end. Now that the eggplant has gone in, stir gently so that they don't fall apart. Then a shower of my beloved coriander leaves. The flavor of the green onions blends so well with the potatoes and eggplant. Have this with roti or rice, with any dal, and you have a complete meal. Please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, or if you have any questions regarding any recipe. Bye bye.